Let me show you how to create such color bitmap effect in Photoshop. Click on Open and select Image from Files. I have provided image link in description. Go to Image from that select image size. Keep width 200 pixels. Zoom and check Preview. Press Ctrl+0 to fit image to screen. As now can see, images get pixelated as we have decreased size. Then go to File. Select Export from that select Save for Web Legacy. Zoom Preview. Follow these settings. You can also try diffusion and noise. For now I am using pattern. Then select how much colors you need in image. For now I am using 20 colors. You can also change any color. Double click on it and change it. For now I am keeping as it is.
I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine. Yeah, about to turn this franchise around.
Click on Save. Select file location and save it.
It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb from the thirst. We will rise. I'm immersed in this life.
Now from File select Open and select image which we saved now. In Photoshop this image will be seen clear. But when we open this in Images it will look blurred. To solve this, come back to Photoshop. Go to Image from that select image size. Keep width to 2000 pixels. Press Ctrl+0 to fit image to screen. Now go to File and click on Save a Copy. Select the file type you want. Now open this file in Images. Now it will be clear as we have increased file size. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.